Health and safety. The question number 1. The Clean Water Act (CWA) regulates discharge of pollutant into the water of the United States, discharge of pollutant into the water of the United Kingdom, discharge of pollutant into the air of the United States, discharge of pollutant into the water of India. The answer is A, that is discharge of pollutant into the water of the United States. Number 2. Section dash of CWA regulate discharge of hazardous substances. A 311B 2B, B 311B 2A, 311B 2A, 311B 1A. The answer is B, that is 311B 2A. Number 3. The CWA made it unlawful to discharge any pollutant from a point source into navigable waters unless a permit was obtained. True or false? The answer is A, that is true. Number 4. The Federal Water Pollution Act, sorry, the Federal Water Pollution Control Act of 1948 was the first major US law to address water pollution. 1945, 46, 47, 48. The answer is D, 1948. The Federal Water Pollution Control Act of 1948 became CWA. True or false? That is true. Answer is B. Number 6. The CWA reduced the amount of pollution from point sources, non-point sources, chemicals, mining. The answer is A, that is point sources. The discharge of regulated chemicals into surface water is controlled by dash SARA, CERCLA, NPDES, PDSC. The answer is C, that is NPDES. The maximum amount of pollution that each waterway could absorb is known as dash TMDL, TSML, TDSML, TDS. The answer is A, that is TMDL. Dash requires EPA to establish regulations to protect human health from contaminants present in drinking water. SAWD, SDWA, ASAW, SWSA. The answer is B, that is SDWA. Who is responsible for the clean up of oil spill? HWS, APS, Oil Pollution Act, SARA. The answer is C, Oil Pollution Act. 11. Which section of CWA regulates land disposal of sludge? Section 402, Section 403, Section 404, Section 405. The answer is D, Section 405. Which CWA program controls water pollution by regulating point sources? SPCC, PCC, NPDES, PDA. The answer is C, NPDES. Which section of CWA is responsible for monitoring of wetlands? Section 402, Section 403, Section 404, Section 405. The answer is C, Section 404. Which CWA program manages non-point source pollution? NPSMP, NSPPP, NSGOP, NPSRA. The answer is A, NSPMP. When did CWA come into existence? 1970, 1971, 1972, 1973. The answer is C, 1972. Under the OSH Act, employers are responsible for providing a dash safe workplace land insurance estimation. The answer is A, safe workplace. OSHA was created to dash data analysis to reduce hazard, ecological development, EIA analysis. The answer is B, that is to reduce hazard. Which act establishes responsibilities and rights for employers and employees? SARA, RCRA, CERCLA, OSHA. The answer is D, OSHA. OSHA is part of the Dash Department of Labour. UK, US, India, Australia. The answer is B, that is US. In the case of fatal accident, when should be a report filed for nearest OSHA office? Within 24 hours, within 48 hours, within 8 hours, within 4 hours. The answer is C, that is within 8 hours. When should be the form 300A posted? January, February, March, April. The answer is B, that is February. What is OSHA form 301? Sickness log, individual incident report, chemical log, finance log. The answer is B, that is individual incident report. Employers in statistically low hazard industries are exempt from maintaining OSHA 300 from record. True or false? The answer is A, that is true. Safety and Health Achievement Recognition Program SHARP recognize dash small employers who operate safety and health management system, large employers who operate safety and health management system, all employers who operate safety and health management system, workers who operate safety and health management system. The answer is A, that is small employers who operate safety and health management system. When was OSHA when was OSHA enacted? 1980, 1930, 1945, 1970. The answer is D, that is 1970. Thank you.